The story of the police car begins in 1899 in Akron, Ohio, with an electric-powered vehicle that could reach a top speed of 16 miles per hour. Its first mission, to pick up a drunk man. This marked the humble beginning of a revolution in law enforcement. During the 1920s and 30s, police departments began to see the value of automobiles. With a car and a radio, a single officer could patrol a much larger area, making law enforcement more efficient. Ford's powerful and affordable models became a popular choice during this era. After World War II, the concept of the police package emerged. Car manufacturers started offering specialized options tailored for law enforcement. Ford led the way in 1950, followed by Chevrolet in 1955 and Dodge in 1956. These packages included heavy-duty suspension, upgraded engines, and other modifications to handle the rigors of police work. The 1960s and 70s saw the rise of iconic police cars like the Chevrolet Biscayne and the Ford LTD. These vehicles became symbols of authority on the road. The 1980s brought the Plymouth Grand Fury and the legendary Ford Crown Victoria, a model that would dominate police fleets for decades. Today, police cars are high-tech marvels. They are equipped with advanced communication systems, license plate readers, and in-car computers. From the classic black and white design to the modern, highly equipped interceptors, the police car has evolved from a simple mode of transport to a sophisticated tool for public safety.